In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of stem and leaf plots. So first I will explain to you actually what the leaf and stem plot is. A plot where each data value is divided into a leaf, usually the last digit, and a stem, the other digits. Now see, what does it mean where each data value is divided into leaf and stem. Suppose you have a data value 43. So 43, one digit is the leaf and one digit is the stem. So 43 is split into 4 stem and 3 leaf. The first one, this one, which comes on the left side is the stem, the other one is the leaf. The stem values are listed on left and the leaf values are listed next to them. So simple. Each data value is divided into leaf and stem, right? The left one is called the stem and the right one is the leaf. A data value 564 would have 56 as a stem and 4 as a leaf. So here we will discuss one example to understand it. Suppose ages of teachers are 23, one teacher is 23 years old, other is 26, 34, 45 and so on, right? You can arrange it, but again it is not necessary to arrange it. How you will make the graph or plot? Make the straight line, and here we can write down 2, here 3, and these are 4 and then 5. What does it mean? 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the stems. See, we have here from here to here 2, 2, 23, 26, 27, 28. So this is the stem, this is the leaf. This is the stem. So we have these stem 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. And then we can assign the value. See, what is the leaf here? This is 3 is the leaf, 6 is the leaf, 7, 28. So we can read like 23, 26, 27. So these are the leaves. Here we have only 2 leaves, 4 and 9. In 40s we have 5 leaf, 1, 5, 6 and 7, 3, 6, 7 and 8. These are the leaf, this one. And in 40 you have this, right? So this is the stem and leaf plot. These are the stems and these are the leaves. The first is the stem, this which is on the left side, the other one is the leaf which is on the other side, means right side. So from this plot you can conclude that the teachers who has ages from 40 to 50, you can say there are more teachers whose ages are between 40 to 50. If you still have any question, write down in the comment section. Thank you so much.